What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. As always, thanks for taking the time to be here. If you haven't, make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video. Let's get into this. So first things first, if you're anything like me, you do a lot of recording on your iPhone, and getting videos from the iPhone to your iMac can be a huge pain in the ass, big time. I've been doing this for years. I have struggled for years trying to use Dropbox, trying to use Gmail, Google Drive, AirDrop, and I'm always getting videos falling off, failing to upload, and it's just a pain to get video content from your iPhone to your iMac. Has to be a better way. The good news is there is a much easier way, and this is going to make your life so much easier after you learn how to do it in this video. So first things first, I want you to get an Apple Lightning connector. Make sure you plug it into the back of your iMac, and what we're going to do is get your iPhone and go ahead and plug that in and make sure it's connected. Okay, now you can use different connectors. I recommend using Apple. I've had others fail. That's why I've never had a problem with the Apple connector, so use the Lightning. Now, once you have that hooked up to your iPhone in your iMac, you can come over here to your iMac, and what you're going to hit is Command Space, and that's going to bring up the Spotlight search. And now your iMac has a built-in feature called Image Capture. So we're going to type that in, and you can see it pop up right here. I want you to click on it. Now it's going to take a second to load, but what you're going to see is all of, let me unlock my phone real quick. Alright. All of my videos and images that are on this, they populate right here. Check that out. It is literally that simple, and all I have to do is go to the video or image that I want, click on it, come right here, click download, and that's it. It is that simple, and it's going to download images and videos from your iPhone over to your iMac. You can thank me later. Maybe like, share, because this is super helpful. Now, adding videos from my phone to iMac, super easy, super simple, takes less than a minute, and it used to take 20, 30, 40, sometimes even an hour, and sometimes those videos didn't even get to my iMac, and that was a problem, and this is just so much easier. Hope you enjoyed it. Should make your life a lot easier now. Appreciate you watching. Thanks for the support. Make sure you like video, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks.